Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 4a Pro, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll and find customization. Now let's tap on more wallpapers. And here we've got different sections from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So here we've got our own photos. You can enter them enter your own gallery and set your own photo as a wallpaper. Here we've got the wallpaper studio, which is generated by the AI. The wallpapers are generated by AI. I'll show you it in a second. And under it, we've got more pre-installed wallpapers from which we can choose. So here you can tap on more and enter more options. And obviously set them as the wallpaper. Those are pre-installed, which means that they are provided by the developer. And here the colors, so if you prefer to use the solid color, you don't really like anything to happen on your home screen, then the solid color is a great option to choose. I will just show you how the wallpaper studio works, because all you need to do is to tap on create, and here you can choose two different sections, like two different let's say categories. At the top we've got the main theme, so for example sky, terrain, still life, iridescence, flora, and under it we've got, let's say, the mode or the style in which the wallpaper will be created. So black and white, photograph, painting, graphic, ink, and modernist. And all you need to do is to choose the one you want to use and tap on create wallpaper. So let me do it. Of course, you can also tap on the surprise me option at the bottom, and your device will generate it on its own. You can download it just by tapping on this option in the right upper corner. However, after getting back, you will see that it will be immediately saved by your device without even tapping on it. So probably here it will simply download it to your gallery. You can also recreate the option if you don't like it, or just come back and try to generate something else. So basically this is how it works. It is really a cool option if you don't really have a specific wallpaper that you'd like to apply. So let's pretend I'd like to set this photo or this generated illustration as the wallpaper. So let me tap on set as wallpaper. Here we can do something like that, so we can zoom it in or out, and thanks to it we can frame it differently. It's up to you how you want to use it. You can also turn on the scrolling, so it means that either the device will keep the wallpaper in one place whenever you will change the screens on the home screen, or you can turn on the scrolling, which means that your device will change the position of the wallpaper according to the screen on which you will be. But I will turn off the scrolling, and to confirm it, simply tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, this is how it will look like. Now we can basically also decide where we want to set it, so as a lock screen, a home screen, or both. I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. Moreover, your device will probably automatically turn on the option atmosphere, which means that on the lock screen, the photo will be sharp, let's say, and focused, and here it will be blurred. So it's up to you. You can turn it off just by tapping on this atmosphere option, and you've got also the glass option. So if you like this effect, you can of course use it. I will just keep it plain. So to finish, simply tap on done in the right upper corner. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.